guys, it's Jen. How y'all doing? I have a little, not quite haul video, but a little unboxing video, I guess you could call it. We went to visit friends of ours the other day, and Danica, my friend Danica, she had my Christmas gift for me. We hadn't seen each other since before Christmas, so yeah, so she gave me a little thing of goodies, and I didn't want to open it at her house because it was kind of a lot of little pieces and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to do that now. So first of all, this was wrapped in this. Look at this. Those metallic little diamonds. So cute. Definitely going to be using that for something. And then this is so beautifully packaged. But I'm going to rip it apart. This is so exciting. I saw some iridescence, so that's awesome. Right off the get-go. Yeah, iridescence. Oh, and this was the little Christmas card. Exciting! I'll get my scissors here. All right. My magical get stuff done list. That's awesome. Let us see. Some pretty papers. She said she bought a lot of stuff off Etsy, so that's cool. Support Etsy sellers. Okay. Oh, that's like cardstock. My magical get stuff done list. I figured it'd be like little note paper. That's so cool. Love iridescent. We got some diamonds. Oh, some little like little waves. That's cute. Or like goldfish scales. That's really cool. And we got different sizes of paper. That's cool. Oh, and then like the pink gold, but this is awesome. This is my best. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Oh, look at these stars. Those are totally cool. Oh, and rainbows and mermaids. Oh, these are like all the best things. That's awesome. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these for sure. More iridescence. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm glad my light is picking up the iridescence really well. It's making it very rainbow. That's cool. Iridescent, not seashells. Yeah, seashells, I guess, but sea things. Sand dollars. There we go. What are these? Hang on. Oh, they're little mermaids. Cute. Ooh, mermaid at heart. Oh, that's so pretty. Like a pastel-y rainbow. More scales. Ooh, I like that too. More stars. I love the little stars. And it's like little like bubbles. That's so cool. Nice. I've been all about the pastels lately too, so I will definitely be doing something with that. All right, what next? This bag of goodies. That's what next. What's next? Okay. We'll start with these. How cute are these? I saw him through the package, little gnomes. Those are so cute. You know, I'm totally going to use these for like not gift tags, right? I'll be using those for all kinds of things. Ooh, cute stickers. Planner stickers. Nice. Oh, pretty. I love these. These go so well with the papers. Pastel-y, you know. Very cool, very cool. And we got some more wee papers. Oh, nice. These would be perfect to trim them down in their ATC size. I am doing a celestial journal though, eventually, so these would be awesome in it. Oh, look at the moons. Oh, and then the gold constellations. So pretty. I love that. Like the, what are they called? Not like cartography, but you know, that thing with the stuff, the star map. Oh, and some more cool papers. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, I love these. The vintagey. Oh, the vintagey star theme things. Constellations. Those are awesome. They're from like super vintage books. Reproductions from vintage books. A cool, huge washi sticker. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. So it's made to look like film, but it's like little clouds. That's so cool. Ooh, and some washi stickers. Look at that. I've had similar to these, but not the same set. Like I have some Celestial washi stickers, but they're different than that. But those will be nice in my journal too. Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. So, so pretty. Love it. So it's more like a mystical celestial theme. That's cool. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a humpback whale. That's awesome. Awesome. And then all the zodiac constellations, zodiac signs. That's awesome. Yeah, so it's like a little like fortune telling kind of celestial thing. That's really cool. Really neat. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. That one. Oh, that's the Little Prince. Nice. All right. And we got a couple faux stamps. So pretty. Very pretty. Oh, Ace of Cups. So it's a tarot card. Nice. Ooh, pretty. It's like a half eclipse. Flake seal. Washi stickers. Oh, look, they're cats. She knows I love cats. Aww. These are so pretty. I need to open these up right now. Aw, so pretty. I love these packages of washi stickers because they give you a bunch of each design. So, you know, you're not just stuck with one or two of each design that you gotta hoard them and use them, you know, sparingly. Or that's what I do anyway. But yeah, I love these because there's like usually like 6 or 7 of each design, so I can use them wherever I want. Oh my God, look at this cat. Ah, so cute. Those are adorable. Awesome. I always love the little washi stickers too because they come in like the cutest little packaging. Like, look at that. I'll definitely be able to reuse that for something. Like, I could cut this front off and use that for a tag. How cute is that? Oh, I'm gonna make sure to seal these so I don't, they don't end up all over the place. Okay, this is another little bag of goodies. Ooh, it's in a little Christmassy Ziploc. Oh, these look like maybe some die cuts and things. Yeah. Oh, sticker. Thank you. Oh, little fairy sticker. Oh, those little fairy stickers are cute. Oh, the popsicle. I love the popsicle. That's really cool. And the pastel rainbow. That's really cute. Yeah, these are all stickers. I thought they were die cuts. These are stickers. I love that unicorn. Cute. These are probably from Etsy artists, I would say. She said she bought them on Etsy, so these are different artists, I bet. She likes to support artists because she is an artist. I'll post her link down below. She sells her artwork online. Her and her husband both. I'll post their link to their site. This is beautiful. It's like a My Little Pony body kind of thing, base, but then somebody added their own style to it. And a little stamp. I eat glitter for breakfast. That sticker sums me up good. Oh, look at this. That is so cute. I love that one. Well, I love all of them, but you know. All right, let's look at these stickers. Oh, they're like epoxy stickers, but they're like see-through-ish. Yeah, some of them are really transparent and they have like little, oh, that's awesome. They have all kinds of little bits and pieces, like little metallic dots and things. So cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like whales and sharks and dolphins. Oh, look, there's even a sunfish. We had a conversation with him about how sunfish are the stupidest animal in the ocean. Apparently they're dumb and they have no purpose. Not even other fish want to eat them or something. Perfume bottles. These are so cute. Look at the one with the little rabbit. Those are so cute. Those will be nice in my honeymoon journal for my Paris pictures. And we got washi. Peace on Earth. Christmas washi. Ooh, chamomile tea. Yay. little bag with some little goodies. So we got some little glittery tape. Let me see if I can get this stuff out without disturbing the glittery tape. Oh, wait, no. It's folded over. I was hoping... Oh, I can probably still pull it out. I kind of just want to leave the glittery tape on there so then I don't have to find somewhere else to stick it. For now, it can just stay there. Perfect. This is like a little bag of goodies. Oh my God. I love that. That's beautiful. That's so pretty. I love that. If I have room on my tablet, that's where it's going. And a celestial origami crane. I've had some of those. Those are cool. And more celestial stickers. So pretty. Oh, the clouds. I love whale. Nice. I love all of these. And I love like, ooh, look. It's actually like a metal crescent moon. That's beautiful. I could use that for a journal charm or whatever. Oh, here's a charm. A little metal charm, a moon sticker. And I like these sequins, the confetti-ish sequins. Cute. And then last but certainly not least, we have washi tape. I love these colors. They're like muted earthy colors. Let us see. I got tape all over my fingers. I need adult supervision when I'm opening tape. Okay. These are like super wrapped. Okay. Oh, these are so pretty. Again, these will be awesome in my celestial journal. Oh, it's a cool washi tape that's got a backing on it. Like, that's so extra. I love it. It's not often you see them, but once in a while. That's so cool. It's nice because then, like, where normal washi just sticks to the next layer kind of thing, it's not going to take off the gilding, the metallic. So that's nice. I really like that. I do like me the washi tape that has the backing. Yeah. And we got like a rosy, brownish, coppery. It's like a rose gold copper. Love it. I love that. That's beautiful. It's so unique too. I haven't seen anything like it. That's really nice. Awesome. So Danica also gave me something else. I had mentioned that she's an artist, and this is one of the things she sells. She drew... Oh man, I was totally gonna look it up before I started and I forget her name. I haven't played Animal Crossing in months. Is it? I think it's like Ellie Mae or something like that. She's the little pig that sells the turnips. Anyway, in Animal Crossing New Horizons. So she drew this cute little sticker, but then she also put it on a note bag. So she gave me one of her note bags, and I believe you can buy these in her shop. So there is the little market bag. Isn't that great? You know what? I'm totally going to use this when I go to the farmer's market. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Very nice bag too. It's a nice cotton canvas. Very nice. And it's got a gusset in the bottom. So pretty. And look at the quality. That's so beautiful. Good work, Danica. That's awesome. So yeah, those are my awesome goodies that I got from my friend Danica. She's the best. Especially considering I haven't finished her Christmas present yet. That's just who I am as a person. I've got like, I got a few Christmas presents that aren't done yet. Yep, this is just my life. So yeah, thanks for watching. I want to say hi to all my new subs. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I just hit 200 subs last night. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. Very excited about that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Great. Thanks for watching. Bye.